This video will break down a word problem that is multiplying with zeros. So the word problem that we have is Arlington ISD is replacing all of the desks in its classrooms. There are 103 classrooms and each classroom needs 24 new desks. How many desks will the school district need to buy? Well, if you remember from what we did last week, the first thing we want to do is we want to look at keywords and other things that help us to see whether we know the total or whether we're trying to find the total. So when I see words like how many desks and they need to buy, that tells me that I need to find the total. I don't know the total yet. And so based off of the notes that you took last week, if I don't know the total, then that means that my options are to add or multiply to find the total. Okay. So after I look at the total, then I want to look at the labels. Okay, so think for a minute. 103 what? 24 what? Okay, those are your labels. So there are 103 classrooms and 24 new desks. Those are different labels. So if they are different labels, that means that my options are to multiply or divide. So once I know both of those, then I can look at it all together. Well, look over here. I need to find my total, so that's add or multiply. My labels are different, so that's multiply or divide. So the thing that is the same, the operation that's the same between them is to multiply. So in order to find this answer, I'm going to multiply 103 classrooms times 24 new desks.